two accessories I've installed on my bike. Very important accessories for every bike. It is needed. The GT handle.
So we're changing.
And this is the new Interceptor handle. This big one.
We're changing GT from Interceptor handle.
Hello guys, my name is Clinton Ralph. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, I'm going to put some accessories on my bike. So time is around 6 o'clock in the evening. So I'm going to put a top box on my Dominar and fog lamps of it. So the shop fellow told to come at this time only. Don't know why, because he has other bikes to do. So I'm going now. Hopefully it should be completed by today itself. So let's go and install the accessories. I've been waiting from such a long time and to put the accessories, and after a long time I'm starting the bike, guys, and it started after a week. So yeah, let's get started now. So this is how it's looking for now. Actually I have cold, guys, so not able to speak. So this is the shop name, guys, Santosh Modes and Accessories. This is a very close to me. The owner is his name is also Santosh. They have their own brand, RB Racing Bolke. So he gave me this accessories for less price. So he's a very known person for me. If you guys are coming here, you can put accessories for your bikes as well. It's near the Goti. Any accessories or any tires or anything you want for your bike, you'll get them. So yeah, this is how the top box is looking on Dominar, my Dominar. Beautiful, right? And this is the top rack Dominar. Very strong it is, guys. My new top box finally. So this is how it's looking with the top box on the Dominar, and the lamps are still they're putting. Here you can see all the bikes they'll do silencer, anything under. See, that is the new under. They have changed the handle. Looking crazy it is looking. Under 350. You can do any handle change, anything you can do. You can contact Santosh, and he is the owner. How are you? Morning, guys. This is the next day after the last clip. Last night I was unable to vlog because there was no light. So I'm going to show you what all accessories I have did on my Dominar. Only two accessories, which I'll show you now. These two accessories I've installed on my bike. Very important accessories for every bike. It is needed. One is the first accessory is the fog lamps. This is how it looks. Trust me, guys, it is a very good quality product. In the night the light is very bright. I tried yesterday in the night. It is very good product, and this costed me around 3,500, and the brand name is RB Racing, and it is waterproof as well, and it has only just no modes, just a white light, and this cover. If you remove the cover, it gives a white light, and if you put the cover, it gives yellow light. So it is a very good product, and the fitting also is very perfectly installed on the bike where I wanted, and this wire also installed very perfectly with the zip tie as well. So I liked it. See, guys, it is the normal light of my Dominar. Now I will on my fog lamps. See, it will brighten the whole lane. 3, 2, 1. and the second one is the top box. This is the 50 liters top box. This is actually 14,000, but he gave me discount because I'm very known person. He gave me for 8,000, 50 liters tank. This is also comes under RP Racing, 50 liters, and this is 8,000. And this top rack costed me 2,200. Actually in market the top rack is expensive. If it comes under for 2,800 or 3,000, so I got it for 2,200. So this is how it is looking. Beautiful, right? So I wanted to put this accessories from many days, so finally I have put on my Dominar. So I'll show you the top box also. It is very spacious. 50 liters is more than enough for rides. So this is how we open it. Actually I'm vlogging, right? So one hand I'm not able to open it. So this is 50 liters, if you can see here, 50 liters. It is waterproof, leathered finishing. It's very good quality, premium, I can say. And two pockets here as well. And this is the warranty card for fog lamps. So 1 year warranty he gave for the fog lamps. RP Racing. Here it is 6 months warranty, but he gave me 1 year warranty. For everyone he'll give. Just on the card it is printed incorrectly. So this is how it is looking, guys. The top box, very spacious, if you can see. My helmet fits perfectly. If you know my helmet, empty helmet, which is very big. So it fits perfectly, and a bag also. And while going on tours, obviously clothes and all, water bottle, laptops, whatever, it'll fit perfectly. So actually for 2 persons it'll fit perfectly, if you say. So this is how it is looking. And this accessories I installed previously on this windshield, this hand guards, and this number plate holder. So I'll just go roughly. So this costed me around 1,400, and this also costed me 1,600. This is just for style actually, guys. No protection, just for style. 1,400, but it is good only. It protects from wind. I have tried many times, right? So I didn't feel anything. So it is completely fine for your hands. It protects your hands. And this number plate costed me around 899. This rod. And this crash guard costed me around 3,800. It is a very good crash guard, and you guys know Hyper Riders is a very big brand. Perfect. This is good quality as well, you can say. And that's it, guys. Nothing much. Accessories. So this is only the accessories I've installed. Many to go. I should install handlebar razors and that flasher as well for the indicators. And yeah, everything is fine for now. So this is how it is looking, my Dominar, ready for the next ride. So sorry to interrupt in between, guys. So actually I forgot a few points in that moment. So that crash guards are really great, guys. So it covers when the bike falls, it covers the radiator. When the bike falls, right, the main thing, it damages the foot pegs, the headlight,
indicators and the radiator. So that crash guards protects my radiator, foot pegs, and mostly takes the bar, on the crash guard, the bar, it takes the full weight on it, so it protects the whole bike. So recommended, guys. The Hyper Rider crash guards are very good. There are Zana, there are many other crash guards as well. So try out. If it fits and it is good for your bike, then do try out. But my recommend for Dominar is Hyper Rider, which I have tested many times and I have went long. Many rides I have done. So, but till date my bike has never fallen, which never fall also. So I recommend Hyper Riders. It is little expensive, but the product is very good. And trust me, guys, the fog lamps I have installed, the RP Racing, it is very good, guys. In the night time, it is too bright. The throw also of the light, it is very good. It gives you comfortable and you can ride comfortably in the night, highways, anywhere if you go. It is perfectly fine. So recommended if you guys want to fit your any accessories for your bike. I will keep the shop description, the location keep in the description. Please go and talk. Yeah, that's it, and continue the vlog.
Total it costed me around 14,999 with top box, with fog lamps and top deck.
The next day.
This is the Interceptor GT handle,
So we're changing.
and this is the new Interceptor handle. This big one.
We're changing GT from Interceptor handle. So
Finally.
excited.
Finally, you can ride long rides.
Yes. Now I can ride nicely. So we'll get.
So the price and all will tell later, guys. Later part of the vlog. So this is the continuation of my Dominar's vlog. So this is the work right now. It's going on. So here is the handle, and there you can see that box. That box is the T-bar. And yeah, later part I'll show what all accessories were fitting on this GT as well. And you can see a lot of bikes, Meteor and Interceptor, and many more bikes, R15. So right now this is the work is going on. It's changing the T-bar of GT and input now Interceptor's T-bar.
This is a GT
T-bar.
T-bar.
And that is Interceptor. Now we are installing the new one now. And by I guess there's a lot of disturbance because you can see a lot of works are going on here. So that's why a lot of disturbance, and you can see pistas also is there here.
This is the most expensive lever for GT650. So guess how much is the cost?
How much?
How much? Please guess.
Please comment down below how much is the price of that lever. So still going on. So bro, after handlebar change you'll ride, huh?
Yes, definitely.
Or you'll keep the bike in house only? Huh?
No, I'll drive. I'll drive from here. So my main motive is from Hyderabad to Ladakh. That's why I'm changing.
Hyderabad to Ladakh, huh? Okay. Actually, I forgot to remove vlog actually by removing the GT handle. So it is actually so hurry-burry here, so rush you can see. Too much public. Saturday we have come. So that's why a lot of public here, lot of noise. So in that noise I forgot. So let's see how we'll fit to the interceptor handle now. Little task job only it is to fit. While removing the GT handle, it was easy, just removing the screw and everything came off. But while fitting this interceptor handle, it's taking time. From 20-30 minutes they are in the same place, like fitting the meter and fitting the interceptor T-bar. That is only taking a lot of time to get fit. He's a very experienced person for GT and interceptor, this person is. Right now GT's condition, no headlight, no handle. So I was telling right guys, installing that interceptor T-bar is little bit hard. So yeah, this is how it looks. Little task work on it, changing the handle. Experienced people only can do it. Please do not take to anyone like normal non-experienced people. They do not work. This is the look, final look guys of the interceptor handle on GT. So this is how it is looking. So this is the final look guys of the handle, finally done. So this whole set handle and this T-bar and screws costed around with the labor charges near him 6,500. Actually he told 7 but 500 he gave discount, known people work here. So if you go near him he'll do. It is little task work, procedure work, but you can do it. So this is the look. Please comment on how is the look. It is actually looking fabulous only guys. So this is the vlog for the handlebar change from GT to interceptor. Stay tuned guys for more videos and like, share and subscribe for more videos.